Alrighty, here's the recipe for these Philly steak and cheese. Now, I have done a recipe, but this is a complete different recipe. You'll need 1 box of the frozen steakums, 1 thing of Swiss cheese, real butter. I use the Irish cream, which is much better for you. 1 medium green pepper, 1 small onion, 1 thing of the Joseph pita bread, and then pink salt and pepper, a fry pan, a soup pan, a 1 cupper, and a tablespoon. And as you see, these steakums are 100% beef. I never realized that. Look at the ingredients right there. It says beef. And always cook these frozen. Don't let them unthaw. Put them into a fry pan with heavily pink salt and pepper on one side. And go ahead and turn it on a medium heat. Now let's cut up our peppers. You're just going to need a 1/2 cup of green pepper and a 1/2 cup of onion, chopping them up in kind of big pieces. And you'll see it fills into a 1 cupper. Then go ahead and take 2 tablespoons of real butter into a soup pan, adding in your peppers and onions, again on a medium heat, and be stirring them so they can caramelize. Let's get the pitas ready. Lay out 2 pitas, cut them in half so we can fill them up. Once the peppers and onions are done, you'll see the picture here, how great they look, and then be setting your meat aside on a paper towel to drain them. Now let's fill them up. You get 6 steakums. You're going to be putting 1 1/2 in each of your pitas. And you're going to need 1 ounce of cheese for each one. So you'll be putting 2 slices of thin cheese into each one. And then a 1/2 of the serving of the peppers and onions to each one. And that's what they're going to look like. And I hope you understand by what I mean by each one. I'm talking about each plate there. And it was 18 carbs total for all 4 of them, which means you're getting only 9 carbs there, you guys. And these were absolutely delicious. Definitely try them out.